The president today will not only see people's personal lives that have been turned upside down, upended by this natural disaster, by all of the effects strewn across the streets, but also the human toll of all of this. People have lost their lives, including a family right here at this house, a mom, dad, and their 2-year-old son. The president's next stop on his Hurricane Ida devastation survey brings him to our backyards this morning. Joe Biden is set to visit 2 of the most devastated communities, Manville, New Jersey, and Queens.
This is everything we could salvage.
The tour comes just a day after he sent his FEMA head to deliver the news that he's declared the area a disaster, freeing up funds to help residents make repairs.
We will send out inspectors to identify what the damages are and then reimburse them.
People will now be eligible for up to $34,000, regardless of whether they had insurance.
This is horrible. We lost everything. Everything. We're going to need a lot of help.
Monday, Pix 11 was the only news crew invited to tour flood-ravaged Woodside with the New York congressional delegation and the mayor as they heard countless stories of survival and devastation.
We're lucky I'm alive.
18 people across New York weren't as lucky and died in the floods. In New Jersey, 27 people were killed and several are still missing. In Manville, where 10 inches of rain fell in a matter of hours, President Biden will also hear from people who lost their neighbors and their homes.
I mean, we're alive. We're alive, blessed because we're alive. We get to start all over. There's so many people that lost their lives that can't start over.
President Biden will begin his day here by landing in the city late this morning before heading first down to New Jersey to meet with local officials and residents there, and wrapping up his trip here to the Northeast by touring neighborhoods here across Queens. That's the latest from Woodside. I'm Anthony DiLorenzo, Pix 11 News.